Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Since coronavirus is the raging issue at the moment, I have decided to do a range of videos on this particular topic. In today's video, I want to discuss with you some of the common herbs from around the world which have immune boosting properties. Choose any of the herbs which are readily available in your locality and work for you. I want to put it out there that herbs are strong. They have medicinal properties. Not every herb will work for everyone. That is one main benefit of working with a natural healthcare provider, that you avoid this trial and error stage for the most part. Another thing that I would like to point out is that herbs are not like pain relief meds. You don't pop a pill and you will see immediate results. It just doesn't work like that. You need to take supplements and herbs for at least 3 weeks before you really start noticing significant results and effects on your body. So please don't take a few doses and decide that it's not working for me. Be patient and give it some time. I should also add that you need to have trust and faith that it will work. If you approach anything doubtfully, your negative energy alone will back off any progress. It will block off the progress. I have met people who are so negative towards everything. They are like, oh, does it really work? Are you sure it's going to work? What if it doesn't work? And these same people can just go ahead and get their gallbladders removed at the advice of the first doctor without trying anything else. So chill out, give herbs a go. Have some humility. These treatments have been used for centuries and have withstood the test of time. So without further ado, let's get right to the topic. The first herb I want to share with you is Echinacea. Echinacea is safe for adults and children. Of course, the dosage will differ for children and adults, but both can use the same herb. It is an antiviral and antibacterial herb which contains polysaccharides that increase the body's production of white blood cells, which fight infection. Echinacea is available in an extract or tablet form, making it easier to get your daily supply of this immunity-boosting flower. You can also drink Echinacea tea, which also has immune-boosting properties, but not as much as the supplement form. If you want to give it to the children, make sure you get the alcohol-free extract. The next herb is Astragalus. It is an adaptogenic herb. Adaptogens support the body's ability to accommodate varying physical and emotional stresses. They're also called tonics. I'm sure you have heard of the term tonic. Astragalus is one of the 50 fundamental herbs in Chinese medicine and has been used for thousands of years. It is available as supplements or extracts. You can even find it in combination with another herb like Echinacea, which makes it even more effective and more potent. It is also safe for children, but I recommend that you take special children's blend to ensure proper dosage and potency level that are suitable for children. This next herb I'm going to talk about might come as a surprise for some, but it is probably one of the most effective: garlic. Garlic is a powerful antioxidant with antimicrobial, antiviral, and antibiotic properties. It is also a natural decongestant. In medieval Europe, they considered it a witch's charm and wore it around the neck, but they were really onto something. It is potent and so easy to use since you can incorporate it into any meal, practically anything. However, it is available in capsule form as well. But I would not recommend that you take it without consulting your doctor or your naturopath first, especially if you take prescription medicines. I have found it easiest to use raw garlic in salad dressings. I crush it or grate it into olive oil and vinegar with some other herbs and spices and make my dressing. I haven't been able to handle raw garlic any other way, but I know people who can stomach it without a problem, so you definitely want to give it a go. Maybe you will be able to handle it. I can't recommend it enough. The next herb that I want to talk about is elderberries. Elderberries are packed with quercetin, which is an antioxidant with antihistamine and anti-inflammatory properties. A teaspoon of elderberry syrup can combat flu symptoms and help people with sinus pains or chronic fatigue. It really relieves those symptoms and clear out those membranes. Elderberry is available in liquid and capsule form and also in combination with other herbs. Elderberry juice and syrup is also available, but it is more of a regional option and can be very expensive if it is imported. But it is also a safe herb for children, so if you find a children's blend, I would highly recommend it. The next herb I want to talk about is Andrographis. It's a plant commonly used in Asian countries and is widely celebrated for its immune enhancing properties. It is also used to prevent influenza and soothe digestive issues, liver conditions, fever, and sore throats. It is available in capsules and tablet form, but I wouldn't recommend this herb for children. Then you, of course, have medicinal mushrooms. Chinese and Japanese medicine have been using these mushrooms for centuries, and the blends are available. These include shiitake, reishi, and maitake mushrooms. They're great for strengthening immune system. These blends are available in supplement forms. However, I don't recommend the supplement form for children. You can incorporate them as foods instead. It's a much better option. This next herb or food I want to talk about might be unfamiliar to you, but it is amazing and has the ability to reset your body's entire balance. It is called Amla or Indian gooseberry. It is bitter, but hey, bitter is better. Amla is an excellent source of vitamin C, hence it helps boost your immunity, metabolism, and prevents viral and bacterial ailments, including cold, cough, and other respiratory ailments. The ideal way of consuming it is fresh juice, but I understand it may not be feasible for everyone. So the next best way is either capsule form or amla powder, which you can add to your smoothies or drinks. Amla is available in many parts of the world, but with different names. So please do some research and find out what it's called in your area. I can go on and on and on. There are many wonderful herbs and blends available, which are great additions to your healthcare regimen. However, I would recommend that you make sure you're not allergic to any of the products in a blend, and I would not recommend blends for children, especially if they contain more than 3 ingredients. In case their bodies react to any of the substances, you should be able to isolate what it is to protect them from developing allergies and allergic reactions. This is it for this video. My reason of sharing these with you is to assure that while we wait for this pandemic to pass, there are things you can do to protect yourself and your family. Eat well, drink adequate amount of water, drink healthy liquids, take basic precautions, and you will be fine, just fine. Take care. I will see you next video. Meanwhile, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.